One Paul here. Today I'm going to go over another strategy. This is a pretty powerful strategy. Now, if you guys seen my other videos, this is kind of a blend of that strategy, but I'm going to go more in depth of it. Today I'm going to teach you the stock market, how to use this strategy with the stock market, and we'll look at SPY, maybe some other pairs. But basically, it's going over the LNL trend system strategy, as well as using it with the stochastic. And it works really well. In the longer time frames, it works the best. The focus here is longer time frames. This doesn't work as well for shorter time frames, so the focus really is for this strategy. You want to be looking at it on the hour, at least the hour or the 15-minute. Well, but I would probably start with the hour. But anyway, I want to show you guys how to do this with the stock market. We'll look at a couple examples and how to focus, how to find the direction, how to focus, and once you find direction, how to focus on that direction and finding your moments to get in. So I'll show you how to set it up. It's a 2-indicator process, and I'll go over SPY, maybe some other stocks. So if you guys watching this video, you can set it up for the next trading day. Okay, so before I begin here, I want to give you guys a quick little S&P 500 tip here. So you guys know that if you want to trade SPY on Robinhood, you have to use the ticker SPY. If you want to do it on Forex, you got to do SPX. But if you want to, once the market is open and you want to plug this formula in, you can go to this ticker here, which is down. It's this one right here. It's ES1 exclamation mark. And the market's not open right now, but as soon as it does open, you can plug this in and you can actually see the market move, overnight and all that. So you'll be able to see where it's going, and you can plug this formula in during overnight, and then that actually helps a lot with the trading because you kind of see everything. But just in between everything, in between markets, definitely go to ES1 exclamation mark, and you'll be able to plug this in with overnight hours. But right now, let's just look at SPY. The market's closed. Now, this is for those that want to do it on Robinhood, so that's where the focus is going to be. The market's not open right now, so basically, you want to set this up. You want to get your LNL trend system. So I've made videos about it. So you just want to go to LNL trend system by LNL Capital. You get that, and in your settings, you want to check everything off except show trend line. Make neutral, bright color, everything a bright color. And you want to have show HTF trend line and make sure they're bright colors. So once you have that, you'll need Stochastic RSI as well. So the strategy is very simple to understand. You want to go to a longer time frame. We're going to be using the hour as an example. And what you basically want to do is you want to use the LNL trend system to identify the direction. So you want to identify the direction by getting to the last point when the LNL lines cross. So in this case, the start of the bullish momentum was right here. It was on April 23rd. And you get the idea. So the first thing you got to do in this strategy is locate the direction with the LNL trend system. So first, we got that point right here. There's the start of it going up. This is the start of it going down. This is the start of it going up. Where did it cross? Right here. This is the start of it going down. Start of it going up. Now, it does catch those little sideways moments, so you got to be careful with that. But for the most part, if you do this on the hour, you'll find all the big moments. So you see it right before it goes down right here. So once you have identified the direction, what you want to do, if you miss this cross, you want to go to your stochastic here. And what you want to do is you want to focus on all the moments. No, not necessarily all the moments, but most of them. Use your own judgment here. So since we know the direction is up right here, you want to focus on all the moments when the stochastic is crossing up. So for this, you want to make sure that you're in a good spot. You don't want to be doing this if it's in an uptrend, you don't want to be doing this when it's too overbought, and when it's going down, you don't want to be in a too oversold area. Other than that, it should work pretty well. But basically, let's look for all the key moments that you could have gone in to spy here. If you missed the cross right here, you just want to pay attention to your stochastic here, and it will show you when to get in, potentially when to get in for the next trades. So you see right here would have been a good trade. If you measure that out from here, and it tells you exactly when to get out as well, right around here. So this is a day, and this is about $900. So what you want to do is you want to look at all the moments where it crosses up with the stochastic. You see another moment right here. See it crossing up right about here. And if you come in right here, you could ride this out. And this is a day, and you made about $757 with one contract. And then it comes down, and then it comes up again. And you can get in right here. If you rode this out to the top. If you want to do a day, right about here. And this is a $13 move basically. It's it's 1,259. And then you have another moment right here. And if you get in right here on this candle, if you ride this out for a couple hours, this is a $458 move. So identify the direction with the LNL trend system, and then find all the moments where it's going in that direction with the stochastic. So real quickly, let's look at some other assets here. It works for pretty much any stock. So QQQ. Okay, so the direction right here is up. Right here is where it goes up. So if you miss this, you want to get in on all the moments where it goes up. So the cross happened right here. So you want to focus on all the moments where it goes up. So you see one right here. See a moment right here. For a day right here, this would have been $1,000. And as long as now this is important to understand, as long as the lines do not cross again, the direction is still up. So until the LNL lines cross again, the focus of the direction is that direction. So when it goes down, you just got to wait it out. So you see another moment right here. So right here it crosses up. You can ride that one out for a day. And this is about $722. You see it crossing up again here. And this is about, let's just do a day. This is about $1,241 with one contract for in the money. So let's real quickly look at some other assets. Let's just look at something like Disney. Let's look at Disney. Real quickly off the bat, we can tell Disney is in a uptrend, so the trend is up. You focus on all the patterns of it going up. You focus on uptrend until these two lines cross. When these two lines cross, you're going to be focusing on downtrend. So from here, we want to look at all the moments If you missed this cross right here, you want to focus on all the moments with the stochastic that it's crossing up. So you got a moment right here, a brief one. Got a real brief one right there. Got one right here. Lasts for a couple hours. Right there would have been a move. And then that's about the end of it. So that's Disney. Let's look at Walmart, because I talked about this in the last video. Let's look at Walmart real quick. So the overall direction of Walmart is up. It's up right here, so you want to focus on all the moments where it's going up. Got a moment right here. Got a moment right here. Got a little moment right there. It's not a big one. Got a moment right here. So anyway, you guys get the general idea. Plug in the LNL trend system on the hour. Look at what the direction is, and then you focus on that direction with the stochastic RSI.